Did you finish it?
Yeah. So the shells.
Yum.
Oh, right. These were out there, though, I think.
It came from there. What did you get?
Shave ice with pineapple ice cream. You want some? I got an extra spoon.
No, thank you.
I might need something to help you rid of that garlic.
What are you eating?
Shave ice. Cherry pineapple. Not like it used to be though.
What are you eating, George?
iPhone.
That place
I'm not eating anything right now, later.
Kauai, where you guys are going. Famous shaved ice stand.
Is it yummy-licious?
Pretty good. I like the ice cream.
Well, it's kind of like when we're in Italy, people say, oh, you should go here for the best sorbet, for the best sorbetto or gelato.
Yeah.
Dude, to me, it's all good.
Well, I actually had this at the gay rodeo, believe it or not. There was a little stand and they put a scoop of vanilla ice cream inside, then the really light shaved ice on top, and it was good. Yeah.
That's how that place in Japantown does it.
Yeah, in Japantown in the city?
Yeah, no, here.
San Jose, remember you had it?
A shave ice.
I didn't have it there. Oh yeah, I did, didn't I? I remember now. It's right next to that restaurant you always go to. That was tasty.
No, now stop, 'cause you're gonna get your seat all dirty.